I love buffalo wings.
Guys, you can't go wrong. Really, really simple. Why did chicken cross the road?
I don't know why.
All right,
Get
so
started.
let's make our take on some of our poolside chicken wings we love to make. So today we've got smart chicken wings. You can buy the whole wings and separate them out. A lot of times that's a cheaper way to do it, but if you let your butcher do it, it gets a little more expensive, but you ain't got to mess with it. You pick what chicken you like. Flats are our favorite. I will just divide the flats versus the drums, just because I'm a flats guy.
And I'm a drum gal.
And then we'll put the drums over here. We'll do Bree's side on Bree's side. So when we have people over the pool, they absolutely love chicken wing day. Chicken wing day is good. So one thing I didn't do, I need to flip them over to the bottom side. Pretty side can go last. Just going to add some rub. So I'm not a drummy fan. I think the better meat is on these flats, but if Bree likes it, Bree gets it. Next thing I do is I want to hit them with some kind of oil. You can hit them with olive oil, probably preferred, or my next favorite is duck fat. Just get a light little spray of duck fat over them. All this is going to do is just kind of act as a binder and help that chicken rub. Wait, where's the chicken rub? Hey, chicken rub! Oh, there it is. I'm going to add the Smoking Magic chicken rub. Get in, give her a nice even coat. Don't have to go crazy, but this is going to add a ton of zesty flavor because it is sweet and zesty. Kind of like you, babe. Sweet and zesty. And then from there, we will flip them over and repeat. I feel like Vanna White flipping numbers here. Can you buy a vowel? Want to buy a vowel? Little duck. Little ducky.
Stop.
Duck fat. You act nervous. Like
Yeah, because I may or may
shot
not
with
have
duck
been.
fat before.
I may or may not have been.
Give it a nice even coat. I don't know why I have to make funny noises when I put rub.
And a holy hell of a mess.
You ain't doing it right if you ain't making a mess.
Well, then you must be doing it always right.
I'm good at this.
All right.
All right, so got our rub on. We got our Myron Mixon Bark pellet grill made by Smoking Brothers. Got this thing set at 300 degrees, running some Royal Oak charcoal pellets, and we're going to set these on at 300 degrees for 45 minutes. Catch you later.
So excited. They look so good. I just want to eat them now. That's that Smoking Magic chicken rub, babe. Doing its thing. Look at that.
How many first places has that got with that perfectly
Oh,
the way
whatever.
the rub was applied? Look at that. Oh, it's perfect. All right, so
What are we doing?
what we've done now is we have smoked them, and now we're going to fry them, which in my opinion is the best wing that you can do. The wings right now are about 173 internal temp. I'm wanting to get these up over 200 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these wing flats, going to throw them into 375 degree vegetable oil, and we are going to fry them.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Where's your lid?
I don't want the lid.
Yes.
Ah, chicks dig scars.
No.
Oh,
No.
well, that's no fun.
We have to have a lid, babe. About how long does this typically take in the fryer?
Yep.
Okay. So we'll just keep watching
It's usually
till they're done.
4 to 5 minutes, but I don't want to give you a time. But we'll count.
We'll keep track now.
Looking at the clock.
All right. Or we'll be back.
Oh, yeah.
So about how many minutes was that?
It was 3. It was actually 3 minutes. So 3 to 4 minutes, it's going to get up to temp. Most of these came out 208 to 210. So look at that beautiful, crispy.
You might have always heard that chicken is done at 165 degrees. Well, it is done at 165, safe to eat. That does not mean that it's the ideal temperature. If you're cooking chicken breast, that's one thing, but anything with skin like this, you're gonna need to take up and over in order to render that fat for the skin. All right, what do we got next?
All right, so what I'm gonna do, take Mama's favorite bowl and make a mess. Throw these into a bowl. Take your favorite wing sauce. My personal favorite wing sauce is Sweet Baby Ray's. Their buffalo wing sauce. One of my favorites, I've always loved it. Throw about maybe a quarter cup of that in there, and we're gonna give her a toss. Oh, I need some music while we toss.
Toss it, baby, toss it.
Get a nice coverage of those. That's what I'm looking for right there. Gonna lay those out.
This is my favorite part, since cheese is my favorite food.
Gonna add a little blue cheese over the top.
It's making my eyes water.
Pow! What do you think?
I think they're gonna be a.
You don't want to eat hot chicken?
It's really hot.
We'll wait. Side note, these boards, GBC Kansas City, the best cutting boards you can find out there. So go give Tim Gaunt from Kansas City a like and a follow. These amazing boards, my God, we love them. He's brought us several. We love to present on these. We love to cut on these.
They have all different sizes and styles, and they can customize it to whatever you want. And they have not only the wood, they've also got several different types of, what is it, compressed?
It is. It's like a composite compressed board that you can fix up. It's got little feet on it. He makes these. They are amazing. We love them. We love Tim. These boards are amazing. Go look up the website. Order some stuff from him. He may be newly TikTok famous. Wow. The guy got like 60,000 followers in like 2 weeks. A little jealous. But works his tail off. We're proud of him.
Are we ready to try these?
Let's do one. They're really hot. Oh, yeah.
They are really hot. Let's see how it goes. I love buffalo wings.
Guys, you can't go wrong. Really, really simple. Smoking Magic Chicken Rub. Smoke them for 45 minutes. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes at 270 or 375. Get them in your favorite wing sauce. Put some blue cheese over the top. My God, it's delicious.
Very good.
Catch you later.
You know what you need to do? Show the eating a flat technique.
What is it? The umbrella technique. Okay, umbrella. This is not a Smoking Magic original, but this is the umbrella technique.
If you're a wing eater, you should know this.
Take it from the tips and just take your thumb and your index finger and your ring finger, push straight down. And then you take your favorite dip and you dip, which these are so good, I don't need dip. And then all you gotta do is clean bones, baby. These are really damn good. Okay, I gotta stop.